I'm Renu Bhandari. Welcome to My Niche Cooking. Today I'm going to make chili tofu. It is very healthy, rich in protein and not too oily. This is a great way to eat tofu and vegetables. It tastes sweet, sour and spicy. It requires only 10 minutes to make and it is a complete meal in itself. It is a fusion of Indian spices and Japanese sauces. I hope you like my recipe, and if you get a chance, please try it and let me know. Please subscribe my channel and follow My Niche Cooking on Instagram. So let's start. To make chili tofu, first we'll take 350 gram firm tofu, remove the water from the pack and take out the tofu. Cut the tofu vertically into 4 pieces. Then spread some oil on the frying pan. Put the tofu on the frying pan and fry over low heat. When it turns light brown, then cut it into cubes and fry for another 1 or 2 minutes. And keep the fried cubes of tofu aside. In the meantime, we will prepare the batter to put in the chili tofu. For this, put more than 1 cup of water in a bowl. Add 4 or 5 teaspoons of corn flour and mix it very well. Add half teaspoon ginger paste. Add half teaspoon of garlic paste. It is totally optional. Add 2 or 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1/4 teaspoon of any chili sauce or Shisen Tobanchan. Add 2 teaspoons tomato ketchup. 2 green chili split or depends on how much spicy do you like. Squeeze some lemon juice around half teaspoon. Mix well and taste it. According to your taste, if you want, add some salt and red chili powder. Then add 1 teaspoon teriyaki sauce or honey. Mix well and set aside this mixture. Now cut the yellow bell pepper into cubes and some red bell pepper also cut into cubes. You can cut and prepare any vegetable of your choice, adding any quantity. Cut some mushroom cubes also. All the preparations are done. Now we are going to make chili tofu. Put 1 tablespoon oil in a frying pan. When the oil is hot, add mushrooms. Saute mushrooms on medium flame. First we saute the mushroom because it takes more time than capsicum. After a minute, add yellow and red bell peppers. Saute on medium heat for a minute and then add tofu cubes. Now whisk the prepared mixture again and pour the mixture into a frying pan over high heat. Stir it on continue high flame. When it becomes thick and get coated on tofu and vegetables, it means chili tofu is ready. Serve it hot. Please do try, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel and follow My Niche Cooking on Instagram. Thank you.